Unveiling the Joy, Understanding, Nuptial Celebration. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase that's all about love and commitment. Nuptial celebration. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone planning a big day, understanding this term can add a layer of sophistication to your English vocabulary. So, let's embark on this journey together and explore the depths of nuptial celebrations. Nuptial comes from the Latin word nuptialis, meaning pertaining to marriage or weddings. When we talk about something nuptial, we're referring to anything related to a wedding. Celebration, on the other hand, is a joyous occasion or activity that marks an important event or honor. So, a nuptial celebration is essentially a celebration of marriage, a festive event where people gather to honor the union of two individuals. Nuptial celebrations are not just parties. They are significant rituals that have been a part of human culture across the world for centuries. They symbolize love, commitment, and the beginning of a new journey together for the married couple. These celebrations can vary greatly across different cultures, traditions, and religions, but the core essence remains the same: honoring the bond of marriage. Now that we understand what a nuptial celebration is, let's put it into practice. Here are a few examples. The nuptial celebration was filled with joy, dancing, and heartfelt speeches. They're planning an intimate nuptial celebration with just close family and friends. As a wedding planner, it's my job to ensure that the nuptial celebration reflects the couple's personality and love story. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the meaning of nuptial celebration. I hope this video has not only enriched your vocabulary but also given you a deeper appreciation for the beauty of weddings and the words we use to describe them. Remember, every phrase has a story, and understanding these stories makes learning English a much more rewarding experience. See you in our next video, and happy learning!